Take a set kontra dito sa Purest Water Defenders. Nagsimula na po ang ating laban
ng Valley Pure.
Hindi nakapuntos si Maderazo sa kanilang huling laban, so that's a good sign para sa Lady Dolphins.
Ito unti dumadami yung pasa ni Kay.
Final four. Kaylee Mans. Binigay ang bola dito kay Z. Hervasio.
Si Hervasio, pakikinig na natin yung mga leading scorers. This reinforced conference number, Kate Morel.
Kate Morel has tallied 11 block points dito sa reinforced conference. Amy Ahumiro. Don't forget about her.
Of course, Amy Ahumiro naman. Number 15 in scoring with ito. Yun And perhaps yung pahinga lang yan, yung Pasko, ito nga may Undas, All Saints Day. Pero I don't think that is a factor because I think all the club teams or other teams, alam nila na yung school team.
Roses. Mans.
Yan, sinasabi natin na kakayang pumuntos. Itong si Kaylee Mans, 14 points. They combined 2 games prior to that.
Kaylee Mans is averaging 7.3 points per match.
Consistent, ha?
Hervasio. Courtside duties sa UST para makasama tayo dito sa Shakey's Village.
Champion teams here in the Shakey's Village.
Hervasio. Kanina, mali yung kanilang positioning. Pero nakapag-adjust itong Ahumiro. Pinalik dito kay Z. Hervasio. Nakalusot. Yan Hervasio, back-to-back points.
Pinunto ito ni Charo Soriano dun sa pagkatalo nila sa Pocari Sweat.
Ito ang ating laban. Hervasio.
Paso.
Mans binigay dito kay Morel.
The Lady Dolphins showing signs of life. At kanina flat line. Ngayon may
Dawson. Kate Morel.
pag umangat na ganun kataas yung pasa, makakasigurado ka, yan ang gustong-gusto nitong si...
Pero itong si Morel, meron ng 11.
Oo,
siya lang yun.
Number 1 sila with a total of 42 sa Valley Pure.
Set number 3 is officially underway. Maraming salamat muli sa pagtutok. Anton with 8 points. Imagine that, just 8 spike points tallied for the entire...
Naku!
Free ball.
Oh, yes!
Oh, Philippine goal.
Adobo, pansit, ano pa kaya? Kaylee Mans, another. Kaylee Mans with a dump play.
Kanina.
Nakarating din sa semifinals ng ating unang conference. At kahit kinuha shut the door on the Lady Dolphins.
And that's block point number 12 for the season. Para kay Kate Morel. Ayan po ang ating set scoring, 25 to 12, 25 to 8, 25 to 9. Kikilalalin natin ang player of the match sa aming pagbabalik